everybody. There are other companies than Wärtsilä. But because he took my presentation. I was going to promise, he promised 10 to 12%, and I was going to promise you 20. So I only got 8% left. But no, but truly, Wärtsilä is one of the private companies working together in this huge European consortium that has developed the ecosystem, the open ecosystem where we can start doing this information sharing for the big data. And EU has been behind it. I'm from the Swedish Maritime Administration. We have been leading the effort. But one of our main goals is to make the industry take the responsibility to drive it, to make it operative, and continue developing it. So that's why I'm happy to share with you that this common infrastructure is being discussed to be taken over by a non-profit industry consortium where Wärtsilä and their competitors are taking part. And that will be the base where all different companies can share, start using software, give services to companies, and it will be beneficial for all, and it will be interoperable. Now, that's a difficult thing in this industry. We see a lot of proprietary solutions. One good example, we talked about smart ports. And that's really, the ship and the port have to work together in order to realize these savings. Rotterdam and Hamburg, do they like each other? Fierce competition, fierce competitors. We started discussions with Rotterdam like 5 years ago and sharing our thoughts and their thoughts. And the first question we got, are you talking to Hamburg? No, we are not. Then we can talk to you. Now this has changed because Rotterdam and Hamburg are actually exchanging information on ship departures from one port for ships that go to the other in order for each of them to do better planning and provide a better service to their common customers. So things are changing. But what we try to achieve with the STM initiative, Sea Traffic Management, is to make it open and interoperable. So it's not only Rotterdam and Hamburg that can connect their system, but any port can connect to a common API or a common interface and share information and send information. And in all cases, it is the information owner who decides with whom to share. So the ship will share with the port of destination and probably the next port. And the port can share with other ports, but it's always the information owner who decides. So this is not open to everybody. And we know that information is quite sensitive in some cases. And to realize these benefits, for container shipping, it's quite easy because they have slot times. They don't even have to change any contract in order to implement this and save these 12, 20%. Actually, just do it. But when we come to tankers and bulkers, the contracts are sort of making things difficult, and business models on where do you sail. But we're working on that too. Together with BIMCO, we've developed a new standard clause for the standard contracts, so that the fuel savings can be split by the ship owner and the charterer. So this is my message to you. If you want to save those 12, 20% without doing anything, all you have to do is collaborate, and that's all. Just share some information with the business partner you're already working with, and that can make the world of change. You're welcome to discuss this and join, because it's free to join. It's not a product, it's a concept, and everybody can then join and bring their product and solutions into this concept and to this ecosystem. IMO likes us. The Secretary General said at a conference, let IMO consider the worldwide implementation of sea traffic management. So we're a little bit hesitant because regulation could sometimes be. But it's a good way. It's good that IMO likes the concept, because it's a good way of achieving the 50%. Thank you so much, and welcome questions to us in the panel afterwards. Thank you.